Good morning. It's Friday the 25th of February and my name is Bill Lay. I'm the CEO of Jonah Motors East Africa and I'm a Kenyan. I am making this video in support of the 28th February campaign where on Monday, this coming Monday at 1 o'clock p.m. Everyone I know and everyone I've been able to contact is going to stand up and sing the Kenyan national anthem. Now for me, I'll have to sing it in English, although I know the first few phrases in Swahili, but maybe I'll be around some others on Monday who will help me through a Swahili version. This is a great campaign. It's very well timed. We have to send out a strong message to our leaders and our politicians that Kenya really needs to work quickly and efficiently to implement this new constitutional dispensation that we passed last year. So please, if you see this video, as soon as you're done, please pick up the phone and call 5 people and tell them to support this campaign. Because remember, on Monday, the 28th of February, at 1 p.m., it's for one people, one nation, one anthem, united for one Kenya. And for further information, you can contact www.2828feb.co.ke for more information on how you can organize yourself for this very important campaign. So thank you for listening to me, and I hope that you'll support this very worthwhile effort.